Hey, what's up everybody? It is your boy Brandon. We are out here with another video today. Now, Sony was kind enough to send me out the new Sony A1 Mark II. Told you guys I would be reviewing it. I also have the 28-70 f2 G Master. All right, I'm using one lens. All right, so we're gonna check this thing out, see how it works. We're gonna use some flash, probably some natural light. We got our model Jai here who's gonna come out and help us capture some amazing shots with this thing. I also got a few views and a few angles that I'm gonna give you as well. So comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys like the A1 Mark II. I will be giving you my opinion during the video, but I'm telling you right now, there's not a lot of stuff to give because it's pretty much the same exact camera as my A1 and my A7R5. So for a photographer, it's not really a lot, but we're gonna see. So let's get into it. Holla at you.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. Try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved.
All right, so I'm gonna try to get some shots of you real quick on here first, John. You're gonna be right here, side, yep. Boom, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna work this for a second. I'm gonna see what kind of shots I can get out of this. Hey, you know another thing with this, I forgot your shutter speed doesn't stop at 1/8,000. Yeah, it goes all the way up to 132,000. So you don't need an ND filter. Ooh. All right, and as we get started here, what I wanted to first bring your attention to is look at the ambient. As you can see, there is really no sun out here. It's a very cloudy day, kind of windy. This is one of the things about being an on-location photographer. You know that ambient is going to be all over the place, so you really have to adjust this thing as you go to ensure you get the proper lighting that you need. You're trying to scare me. It's so funny because that shot looks insane. All right, let me see. Bang, 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 bang. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'll come closer. Come closer. Yeah, you can. No. You can do that where you just were. Just come closer to the pole.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you...
All right, here we go. Ready? And 3, 2, and 1. All right, hold on one second. Yeah, because the sun is dipping. 1, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. I do like it. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Is it upside down? Now, one thing I forgot to mention at the inception of this video, this was not a planned shoot. This was just me reaching out to Jay to come out and see if she can give me a little bit of time so I could capture some images with the new Sony A1 Mark II. So everything that you see here is pretty much just a basic a photo shoot that we are doing, but we definitely wanted to capture some images with it, play around with the A1 Mark II as far as photography goes, to see, you know, how it feels, look at the images, look at the sharpness and things like that. And one, come back over here. Beautiful. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Good. Take their head and look more towards that way. Yeah, perfect. There you go. Good. Focus is working. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. Oh, that shot right there, crazy. Second. Oh yeah, that shot right there is perfect. All right, turn your body now. Put this side of your body. Yep. Yes. Yeah. Good. Bring your chin up. Right. Yeah, perfect. Exaggerate. That is gorgeous. So you're good. Stay right there. Bring this leg up. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it up a little bit more. There you go. Ballerina. 3, 2, 1. One more. Good. Boom, 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 boom. So look right here at this bench right here. Perfect. Right there. That was sick. Sick. All right. So now I'm gonna put you right here in between these. Yep. Yep. All right. Here we go. Actually, it's the other side. Yes. Beauty is. Wow, that actually looks good. But can you do that to the other side? Same thing on the other side. Because when I do it over here, you got way too much white in the back of you, and it's blown out. Yeah, exactly. So at least I want to put some green foliage behind you. So we are all the way zoomed out at 28 millimeters. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that. Put this leg right here, if you can. There you go. Huh? Yeah, a little bit. So you see, like this. You have to model it somehow. There you go. Model. There you go. I'll take it. Here we go. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. It's like a. I don't know what you look like right there. We gonna work it though. 3. Oh, okay. We got a candid shot. Yeah, no, absolutely not. We gonna do it. All right. No, you're fine. All right. So I want to shoot in the bushes where you just were. I want to put you right in the bushes, and I want to test some headshots. All right, here we go. All right. That's gorgeous. All right, let's see here. All right, right here at the camera. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Okay. Head straight up. Don't turn to the side. Just right here. Yes. There we go. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. One more. Yeah. Perfect. Green. 3, 2, 1. Up. No flash. There we go. 3, 2. Part your lips a little bit. There you go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Beauty. But you're good. No. You good. You can hold on to this one and hold on to this one. So I can. No, don't cover up the body with them though. You just gonna hold them to the side. Yeah. We don't want to. There you go. Now you're modeling. Okay. All right. Let's do it. Snorting. Okay, scene. Let's go. All right, here we go. Perfect. Good. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Turn your body some more. Turn. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yes, you got it. 3. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, one more. No, back again. Perfect. 3. Bring your arms closer together. There you go. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. That's fire.
Switch.
Yeah, we can do some. We can do a few more now.
Oh no, I thought you meant like
Outfit.
we're getting in the grass.
Oh, you want to get in grass?
No.
Oh, I'm about to say, girl, you shit. You know, boy, we get creative. You want to? I'm just saying. All right, hey, so we finished with that first set of shots with the Sony A1 Mark II and the 28-70. I have to stop this. The 28-70 F2 G Master. From the first set of shots, yo, it's snappy. It does pretty much. It's so hard because it's doing everything that I'm used to this type of camera doing between the Sony A7R5 and my A1. So I'm not really missing anything that I'm not used to seeing or shooting with, right? Because the same AI autofocus that's in my A7R5 is in this camera. But getting that 50 megapixel and getting, you know, everything with this camera, I got 61 in my A7R5, I got 50 here. I mean, it's really hard to justify saying, hey, if you ain't got a camera, you should go out and pay $7,000 for the Sony A1 Mark II. When I know I just can't jump, but I will tell you straight out of camera, I'm going to leave about 2 pictures. I'll leave one. I'll leave one raw file to one of the pictures, untouched, unedited, raw file in the comment section below so you guys can check out the raw file, one of the images that I take with the A1 Mark II, and you can kind of pixel peep and see for yourself, used it with flash and all of that stuff, man. But so far it's doing an amazing job. So we're gonna move on to our shot number 2, our second set of shots. And these are gonna be fire, man. I can't wait. So
I got a question for you.
yes, sir.
Now,
We got a question from the audience. What we got?
It don't make sense for you to buy this camera based on what you already have and the quality you already get with your other cameras.
Okay.
So who is this camera for? Like, who would you recommend to buy this camera today? If somebody came to you and was like, I need this camera that's gonna do this, it's gonna do that, who can you recommend this camera for right now?
Nobody. Yeah, nobody. Who would I recommend the Sony A1 Mark II to? If somebody was to ask me today, like, who would I say, hey, you really need to go get this camera right now. Like, this is the best thing smoking. I recommend this camera. Who is this camera really for? As a Sony shooter and somebody who's been shooting over a decade with so many cameras, it's hard to tell you that you need to go out and buy this camera. Now, the A1 Mark II is equipped with things from the A9 III, from the A7R5, and from the A1. Sony basically took all 3 of these cameras and put them into one camera. So if you like pre-capture, you know, capturing images before you actually push the shutter, this is a great camera for you, or the A9 III, right? But this one has a higher megapixel than the A9 III, so you might want those more megapixels. If you want that pre-capture, that 30 speed boost, that 30 frames per second, the megapixels, the flip out screen, the AK30, the AI autofocus, you know, no blackout. I mean, there's a few things that you can get with this camera, but can you get those same things from another camera that Sony already owns, that Sony already has? I mean, yes, you can. I mean, you really can. So I think the only people that I would recommend this camera to, if somebody was to ask me, I would say wildlife photographers, because pre-capture is a game changer, all right? Trying to capture birds and trying to capture a lot of things that, you know, you're waiting for that moment to happen, you know, and you could be sitting there for a while for that moment to happen. That's where the A9 III and the A1 Mark II just really shines, because pre-capturing at 30 frames a second is insane. It's absolutely insane. But I do have 30 frames a second on the original A1, but it doesn't have pre-capture, and it doesn't have the flip out screen, and it doesn't have the AI autofocus. So I can't recommend the regular A1. So I would say wildlife photographers, man. Wildlife and possible weddings. But you're not pre-capture. I'm not waiting really for a moment to happen in a wedding that I can't shoot. So wildlife photographer, if I shot wildlife and I was strictly a wildlife photographer, this will be the camera that I got. Other than that, portraits, you don't need it. Maternity, newborn, weddings, you don't need this camera. There's other cameras. So wildlife photographers, I highly recommend this camera. That's about it. Let's go.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Let me think about it.
Beauty. 3, 2, 1. Oh. No, you're doing just like that. That. I'll tell you. That looks good right now. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. I love that. Right in the camera. Good. Right in the light. Good. You want to sit on the bench? All right, let's do that. Yeah. See, I really want you to. All right, right here over the camera, over your shoulder, right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Right here is where we need to be at. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Let me turn the flash down. Okay. Ready? 3. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right. That's perfect right there. So get the hair. Yes. Stay. Woohoo! Yes, reinvent. Do that again. Yes, right there. I'm gonna come back. I'm coming close. 3, 2, and ooh, that win. Oh, get out of here. You gotta, yeah. I'm about to say you gotta keep your head up. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Good, right there. 3, 2, 1. Look right here at the lens. You got it. 3, 2, and 1. We got it. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. I want to thank you guys for checking out this video with my beautiful model Jai. This was amazing. Hey, the A1 Mark II and the 28-70 f2 G Master did amazing. They're great lenses. I definitely do like the versatility of the lens, being at 28 and, you know, not cropping, but zooming in up to 70 millimeters. And it's an external zoom, right? So it doesn't really go out far like a lot of zooms are, you know, the barrel. So that's great. I really like that. $3,000. She got money, so she'll buy it. But the A1 Mark II did a good job, man. Straight out of camera, looking at the images, they look good, you know. But for a portrait photographer, somebody like myself who already pretty much has these cameras, like I said, it's really hard to recommend it. There's only a certain niche of people that I think really could benefit from this camera, because there's other cameras on the market now that are just as good. So it did great. We got another one coming up, man, but I really appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Go follow Miss Jai on Instagram. It's I Love Jai Nova, right? Jai Nova. And so her Instagram is I Love Jai Nova, but it's J-A. Is it Jai or J?
It's Jay.
Damn it. I always say Jai. All these years I've been calling you Jai and you never corrected me.
Jay or Jai. Yeah.
J. I Love J Nova. N-O-V-A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, J, no underscores or nothing.
No.
Okay, I Love J Nova, J-A-I-N-O-V-A. Make sure you follow her Instagram, man. Go check out her work. She's absolutely incredible. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it for right now. Until next time, until we hit you guys with another video, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you never. Bye. Bye. We out. Bye. Goodbye.